Wellborn Cabinet is proud to be the cabinetry sponsor for the 2021 Southern Living Idea House, located in the Breakers at Prospect in Louisville, Kentucky, a 50-acre community showcasing homes in coastal, historical, and timeless designs. Wellborn Cabinetry is featured in 11 rooms throughout this gorgeous home. The designer chose Wellborn Cabinets hen-low door style in maple for the kitchen. Elegant and light with warm accents like a butcher's block countertop, this spacious kitchen serves as the perfect area for casual family meals and entertaining friends. This refrigerator panel seamlessly conceals this kitchen's cold storage. This dishwashing area that sits adjacent to the island also provides an ideal serving station for refreshments. The floating shelf above the counter is excellent for storing essential but seldom used serving dishes. Two matching vanities face one another in this master bath, which features hen-low square maple cabinetry finished in glacier white. There are a total of 6 solid wood dovetailed drawers in this space that make for simple organization and maximum storage potential. The molding stacks and valances at the bottoms of these standard vanities create a custom look. This phenomenal pantry is every cook's dream. Hen-low square cabinetry houses a multitude of storage solutions, from deep drawer dividers to cutlery organizers. The open, adjustable shelves with beadboard backs finished in sapphire are fantastic for storing both dry goods and display items. The front powder room is home to an elegant bath furniture vanity that includes a cabinet under the sink as well as a wide-bottomed drawer. The sophisticated olive finish paired with a custom counter and backsplash provide a timeless aesthetic to this space that is sure to leave an impression. The in-law suite is home to an Upton vanity from Wellborn's Elegant Bath Collection and features Galena maple cabinetry with a shale granite finish. This cheerful space is great for weekend guests who can store their toiletries in 2 soft-closed solid wood dovetail drawers. The addition of a morning bar to this beautiful home is just what every family needs, the perfect prep area for coffee, juice, or cereal. Solid wood dovetail sliding shelves offer quick access to items as well as organizational options. Sometimes taking a moment to relax and watch the world go by outside of your window is the perfect way to start the day. The back powder room also features an Upton furniture suite from Wellborn's Elegant Bath Collection. This Hanover maple cabinetry is finished in a calming aqua paint, and storage is maximized with a bottom storage shelf and 4 soft-closed drawers. This stunning color, along with the colors used on the hand-painted floors, make this room both unique and inviting. Washing and drying clothes in this multi-purpose pet and laundry area won't seem like a chore at all. The hen-low square maple cabinetry makes organization and storage a cinch, and fur babies are given a cozy space to take a nap and eat their meals. Modesto maple cabinetry finished in ash was installed in this upstairs guest bath. With 9 drawers and a cabinet under each sink, towels, toiletries, and grooming appliances all have a home. The scullery borders both the kitchen and the pantry and offers an area for additional food preparation, cleaning, storage, and display. A wall cabinet with glass doors and adjustable shelves extends to the ceiling, and 9 solid wood drawers are stationed below it. Bright, clean, and classic. 3 words that perfectly describe the second upstairs guest bath. Wellborn's hen-low square maple cabinetry finished in glacier white fills the space, and a solid wood vanity pull-out organizer provides even more storage under the sink. For more information on these and other Wellborn products, please visit our website at wellborn.com. Wellborn, family-owned and proudly made in the USA.